Patara, home to Turkey's longest beach and the birthplace of St. Nicholas, is a stunning destination where untouched nature meets ancient history. Stretching for 18 kilometers, Patara Beach is a breathtaking expanse of soft golden sand, rolling dunes, and crystal-clear waters, making it one of the most spectacular coastal escapes in the Mediterranean. With its protected status as a national park, the beach remains pristine and is also a crucial nesting site for the endangered loggerhead sea turtles. Whether you're taking a leisurely sunset walk, soaking up the sun in solitude, or swimming in the turquoise waves, Patara's untouched beauty offers a true sense of escape. Just beyond the dunes lies the ancient city of Patara, one of the most significant sites of the Lycian civilization. Once a bustling port and the capital of the Lycian League, its ruins include an impressively restored theater, grand colonnaded streets, and the best-preserved Bulutarian parliament building in Turkey, where democracy thrived over 2,000 years ago. Walking through the ancient archways and temples, visitors can imagine the lively markets, sailors, and merchants that once filled these streets. Patara is also believed to be the birthplace of St. Nicholas, the beloved figure who later inspired Santa Claus, adding a touch of legend to its historical significance. Beyond its archaeological wonders, luxury meets nature in the boutique hotels and eco-friendly resorts that dot the surrounding region. While Patara itself retains a peaceful, untouched charm, nearby towns like Kalkan and Kaş offer a mix of luxurious seaside stays, charming cafes, and fine dining experiences overlooking the Mediterranean. Patara is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing visitors to truly immerse themselves in the beauty of Turkey's Mediterranean coast.